Hello and welcome to Daily Current Affairs by Neo IAS. Today is 5th July 2019 and the topic we are going to discuss is Nehru Yuva Kendra's Swayam Resat 2B International Court of Justice Map Aided Program and the previous year question revision series. So coming to the first topic, Nehru Yuva Kendras. Nehru Yuva Kendra is in news because the work performance of Nehru Yuva Kendra, it is satisfactory as per the target achievement which was being set for 2018-19. It was for 95% and this is been a satisfactory achievement. So Nehru Yuva Kendra is basically established in 1972. The main objective of Nehru Yuva Kendra is to provide rural youth avenues, that means involving youth in the process of nation building and also providing them enough opportunity for the development of their own personality and skills. Okay, so the Nehru Yuva Sankatan, it was set as an autonomous institution or autonomous organization. It worked under the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. So this is the largest grassroots level youth organization. It can be one of its first kind in the whole world. So it channelizes the youth to the principles of volunteerism, self-help and community participation. So the main objective is to bring the rural youth towards nation building process and also giving them opportunity to develop their own personality and skills. Okay, next is Swayam. Swayam is in news because till now 276 9 MOOCs, that is a massive open online courses, have been offered on Swayam platform. So around 1 crore students have enrolled to various courses. So Swayam stands for Study Webs of Active Learning for Youth Aspiring Minds. So this is an integrated platform. They are providing online courses and also they are covering the school from 9 to 12 standard to post-graduation level, and this is like an instrument for learning opportunities. Okay, the main objective is to ensure that every student in our country has an access to the best quality education, higher education at a very affordable cost. So the government of India, they designed it in a three principles or three cardinal principle of education policy, that is access to information, equity within everyone and quality of education. Okay, and the project Swayam, they provide this integrated platform with all the online courses for poor people around the country. So it covers all the higher education subjects and also they have a coverage on skill sector courses as well. So the academicians, they are involved in developing and delivering this MOOCs through the Swayam portal till graduation level courses. They'll develop content in world class level. So this is intended to host about 2000 courses and it has 80,000 hours of learning material with 2 years. They cover school, undergraduate, postgraduate, engineering, law and even any professional courses. Okay, and it is expected to support around 3 crore users in next few years. Already we have 1 crore users. Next is Resat 2B. This is in news because ISRO's PSLV C46, it carried Resat 2B, which is a high resolution sport imaging thing. It's a satellite. It is basically developed for synthetic imaging satellite operating in the X band. So this has been built by ISRO and this is a radar imaging satellite. It can be operated effectively during day, night in any weather conditions. So PSLV C46 is carrying this particular Resat 2B. This has been indigenously built. It has a synthetic aperture radar, the radar that is called as SAR, S-A-R, synthetic aperture radar. Okay, that's an imaging satellite and it will be PSLV's 48th mission and it weighs around 615 kg and this is going into the orbit of 555 km with an inclination of 37 degrees. These informations are not very important. Okay, So RESAT 2B is the 48th mission of PSLV C-46, and it will be the 14th flight in the core alone configuration, and also it is been launched from Sriharikota, Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. Okay, and this is the third, version of RESAT in 10 years. Okay, it was Israeli built RESAT 2 in 2009, and then it was ISRO built RESAT 1 in 2012. Now it is RESAT 2B coming in this year 2019. Okay. So this will be useful for giving 24-hour uninterrupted views with interference from cloud, rain and other weather conditions. And its X-band synthetic aperture radar, it will give additional information about the size of objects on the earth, then the structures, movement and change. And the information, it will also complement the data from the normal remote sensing satellite. It can compare the data, and they are equipped with SAR that I have already told you, so they can sense or observe Earth in a special way from the space, day, night, rain, cloud, from every characteristics of space. Okay, it will also enhance India's all-weather capabilities in various sectors like agriculture, in disaster management, in forestry. Okay, so the main use is to monitor movements such as the infiltration or gathering of militants, and also it can do radar imaging functions like crop estimation, because the main kharif crop growing in the season will get destroyed if the rains are more, so we can predict all those things. So these satellites, they deliver data extensively for forestry, soil, land use, geology, and even for floods and cyclones. Okay. Next is International Court of Justice. So this is in news because the Kulbhushan Yadav case. So they are going to deliver verdict in July 17, on July 17. So International Court of Justice is the principal judicial organ of United Nations, and this has been formed in 1945 by a charter of United Nations, and the Peace Palace, the seat is at the Peace Palace of Hague. Hague is in Netherlands. So it is one of the 6 organs of United Nations. The court is to settle according to the international law. They'll handle the legal disputes submitted to it by the states, and they'll give advisory opinion on the legal questions authorized by United Nations organs and specialized agencies. And also they are assisted by a registry. Registry is its administrative organ, and the official languages are English and French. Okay, and the court, it is composed of 15 judges. They are elected for a term of 9 years by United Nations General Assembly and the Security Council. And please note that, please do not confuse ICJ, that's International Court of Justice, with International Criminal Court and the Permanent Court of Arbitration. All 3 of them are different. Okay. In map aided program, we are doing with the Ramsar sites of Tripura. So we have Rudra Sagar Lake. Rudra Sagar Lake is also called as Rudi Jala. It is in Melakhar in Tripura. So this is a natural sedimentation reservoir. It has perennial streams. The flow is from 3 perennial streams. Now Chera, then you have Durlabh Naraya Chera and Kemtali Chera. 3 streams are coming into the lake. And after settling the sediments from the received flow, this reservoir discharges into Gumati. Gumati is another connective channel. Okay, so this place is famous because it has a palace called as Neer Mahal. Neer Mahal is water palace. This is situated to the northeast bank of the lake. It was being constructed by Tripura king. Okay, so this was his summer resort. Okay. So I have a picture of Rudra Sagar here. Please note the position. And in previous year question revision series, I'll read out the question. Each day is more or less the same. The morning is clear and it is bright with a sea breeze. The sun climbs up high in the sky. Heat mounts up. Then dark clouds then the rain comes with a thunder and lightning, but the rain is soon over. So they are asking about which climatic region is it. Okay. It is very clear from the description that it is equatorial climatic region, because this is a factual question. You have to read or you have to study the characteristics of different climatic regions all over the world. So, equatorial region, it has rain on daily basis. It is mainly because of the convectional rainfall. The land get heated up, evaporation happens, then the cloud formation happens, then rain comes down, rain pours down, and soon the rain is over. This is the characteristics of equatorial region. Okay. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the session. Please read the newspaper religiously. Don't forget it. And please do subscribe the channel and give comments in the comment section. Thank you so much. Good night.